Hey everybody, it's your boy STi Czar. This will be my first DIY video. I ordered these tire stickers from tirestickers.com. You can see. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the tire right here. I got 1.5 inch. They fit perfect on the sidewall. So I went ahead and got Dunlops because these are stock Dunlop tires. And they'll say Dunlop over here, and they will say Dunlop down here. So the first thing you need is supplies. Got a bottle of acetone. We got some sandpaper. We have a washcloth. And we have some painter's cloth or something. First thing we need to do is pluck the little hairs that are on your tires. Get those things all plucked. Get them all nice and good out of the way. Every single one. Now these tires, or any tires, full of oil and dirt. So the most important thing is preparation. Gluing the stickers is the easy part from what I'm told. So let's go ahead and prepare the tire. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take some sandpaper and we're just gonna sand the section that we are gonna be working on. You don't have to go crazy, but just enough to make it as smooth of a surface as possible. Chose the Dunlop section because that's probably the most flat section I have on the tire. Now you see already my hands that are dirty with oil and rubber. We gotta get rid of all of that. So I got the permanent stickers. These are a little bit more expensive. Those range up in the $150 range. They also sell semi-permanent. You can glue on. They'll stick onto your tire for about 1,000 miles. Those cost about $50. They call them kits. Typically, you'll have the name of your tire on the top, and that's one kit, so it'll have 4 stickers. But I went ahead and I guess theoretically got 2 kits, one on the top and one on the bottom. So, let's see how this turns out. We'll start with that. And we'll get the washcloth. Acetone. And we'll start cleaning. You see how dirty this is. We have to clean the tire until it looks like this. So it looks like I have a long ways to go. So I will be right back and we'll catch up. And this tire's clean. So after about 10 minutes of cleaning, I think I got the tire as clean as it should be. Let's give it a swipe. Not too bad, so we'll go with that. So the next step you have to do is you have to clean the back of your stickers. It's gonna go right on the tire. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some acetone and start wiping down the back of these stickers and get them as clean as possible, because right now when they get delivered, they have dirt. When you're in the garage, they have a bunch of debris or leaves or whatever. So we got to make sure that this is as clean as your tire. And again, preparation is the most important part. And then we'll look at trimming it, trying to see a point of reference on your tire to make life easier when we're doing it. So be right back. And we're back. So I went ahead and cleaned the back of all the stickers with acetone. You don't have to go as intense as the tires, but you still gotta give it some love. There's a lot of dirt in garages. So, the next thing I'm gonna do is use a point of reference. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and the bottom of the N is going to be a reference point to me to one of my spokes on the rim. Now these things have a curve on the top of it. And every tire has a curved line on the top and a curved line on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and put on the top part right here, on the curved part. Use that as a reference point as well. And I'm going to take a scissor and I'm going to cut the excess plastic that is on the tires sticker to make my life a lot easier. Now, make sure you don't cut the tire sticker, obviously, but get as close as possible as you can to the tire sticker. So when you're putting this together, you can have a clean adhesive stick to it. The next thing we're going to do is put some glue. Now, it comes with a really small bottle of glue. You just got to be careful because it needs to last you. I tried to Google what it was, but it really wouldn't tell me. It just says it's a top secret adhesive bottle. You do it. Take it. You want to do the outer edges only of it. And it'll come out fairly quick. Just be careful. Again, you just want to do the outer edges of it. And you want to just spread it. Spread it just enough. Just to get as much on there. Basically what I'm doing is I'm tracing. Spread it in the middle. I'm not using that much. I went ahead and I put the sticker on the tire, and when you align it wherever you want it, make sure you're putting a lot of pressure on it. This adhesive dries really quick, so you gotta make sure you spread it and you get it done right. So, this is the easier part of all of it. Has two tapes on it, so when we get ready to pull the stickers off, we'll pull one off, and then it'll also have a second one on it. So just gotta make sure of it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the other side on, and I'll be right back. So now we have sticker mounted on the tire. This one came in 3 pieces. You got the flying D, you got the done, and then you got the lock. So what we're gonna do is start peeling the plastic on top of it. Nice and gentle, nice and smooth. If you're lucky enough, the sticker. So that's the finished product right there. I think it looks really nice. It took quite a bit to do. It takes about 45 minutes a tire, I have to say myself. So I am going to turn on the car, see if I can get these tires to spin. so you guys can look at it as it's spinning. I'll be right back. Alright everybody, it's the final finished product. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. My phone died like 10 times doing this, so I'm putting it together in bits and pieces. It's a fun project to do. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks, talk to you guys later.